Okay, now we're getting to our really useful knots. This is the taut line hitch, and the taut line hitch is used for tying off a rope at the end of a line that's holding something tight, like tying a load down on a trailer or tying a sleeping bag to your pack. So it starts just like a regular 2 half hitches. You're going to put it through a loop on your pack or around a post on your trailer or a hook, and then you're going to make your hitch. You're going to go across and through like this. And now, instead of continuing on to make another hitch, we're just going to go around that loop one more time, make a little noose type thing to really cinch down on that rope. Okay? That's the secret. That's the whole thing. Now we just tie it off just like we did before. We're going to come around this loop and bring it back. Now we've got ourselves a taut line hitch. Now, this rope's a little bit thick, so it takes a little doing to get it tight, but once you get it tight, so let's say this is the line. I'm gonna put my foot on it here. This is the line here and it was slack and I want to make it tight now. I just take this and just slide it up the rope and it stays. It just stays where it is. Now, this rope's a little bit fat for this kind of knot. You typically would use a smaller rope that bends on itself better and would hold that tension. See, I'm pulling on that and it really didn't slip very well. Smaller ropes will just lock off and just stay really good. Let's do it one more time. This is the taut line hitch. You're going to put the rope through around the post, cross it in front, and go around that rope twice. Okay? You can tie it off. I actually prefer to tie off the so-called wrong way. I think it forms a nicer hitch. But anyway, you can do it either way you want. But once you get this done, then you can tighten it up, take up all the slack, and it'll stay there just like that for you. Taut line hitch, really useful. I use this all the time with my pack and tying loads down on the trailer. 2 half hitches, taut line, and trucker's hitch are your 3 most useful knots to tie as a man.